Parts of a fraction. When we're looking at parts of a fraction, we have to start with what is an actual fraction? What are the different pieces of a fraction? To start with, we have the numerator, which is the number above the bar. Now, with that being said, we need to know what the bar is. Now, the bar is the line that's between the numerator and the denominator. It's also known as a division sign. So with that being said, we have then the denominator, which is the number below the bar. Feel free at any point to pause the video to fill in your notes and have a little bit more time to do some writing if you need it. The next thing we want to look at is that fractions may appear in different ways in different texts. However, they all mean the same thing. So a different version, like having 3 over 5 written like this, or 3 over 5 kind of on an angle, or 3 over 5 beside each other, is all the same thing. No matter which way it's written, it means the exact same thing. Now, we have 3 different common ways of fractions being written. Now, to perform mathematical operations for what we're going to be doing, it's almost always easiest to do it with a proper or improper fraction. So mixed numbers should always be changed into improper fractions. Now, a proper fraction is when the numerator is a smaller number than the denominator. So an example is like 2 over 3. An improper fraction is when the denominator is a smaller number than the numerator, like 4 over 3. And a mixed number is when we have a whole number in front, like 4 and 1/3. So it's indicating that the value is greater than 1. Now, when we're changing a mixed number into an improper fraction, we can always follow the same steps. The first being multiply the whole number with the denominator and then add the numerator. This is going to be our new numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So if we look at this example of 3 and 4/7, we're going to take 3 times 7 and add 4. It's going to stay on the top. The denominator doesn't change. We still have 7. So we get 21 plus 4 over 7 equals 25 over 7. Go ahead and try the practice questions associated with this section.